Recording?
I think so. I think that's what the red dot means.
Oh, red dot, red shirt, Bass Pro hat. That's how we're doing it this weekend. Happy weekend to all of you amazing people. But you're gonna probably see this on Thursday. So the weekend's gonna be just around the corner for you guys, you lucky devils. But on this weekend's episode of our vlog, we're going boating. And it's kind of special because it's a treat for my buddy because he just got engaged. Congratulations, Danny, just got engaged. Very excited for you, man. Good luck with everything. Hopefully everything goes smooth for you, but gonna take them out, let them enjoy the water. She's never been on a boat before, so hopefully she likes it. Weather in Florida right now is a little shady.
We're risking it.
There's some type of high tide issue. King tide, I think it's called. If you're smart, you'll know what it is. If you're dumb, Google it. And the weather's really bad. We have like tropical depressions and everything out there, but it says it should be clear till 12 p.m. So we're gonna just hang out for a little bit and take you along for the ride, all right? All right, all right, all right.
Hi guys, we are currently waiting for our friends to arrive. They still haven't come. They're on Spanish time, you know how that be. I'm just kidding. They were waiting for our food, but look at Kirk. We got Captain in the front. Look at him. Looking so cute.
Ahoy, mateys.
But as soon as they get here, hopefully we can go set up and go chill. Where are we going, Bubba?
We're probably just gonna go to Peanut Island, hang out on Peanut Island, and go swimming and stuff like that. Nothing too crazy, depending on the weather. I wouldn't mind going for a drive, maybe up the intercoastal to Jupiter, but we'll see how that goes, all right?
Alright guys, our friends are here. Let me introduce you to them. They're so cute. Look at them, they're matching and shit. Danny, y'all remember Danny?
Fat Beast 95.
And Lily.
my beautiful fiance.
Ooh, look at that, fiance. Alright, we're here. Baby, got anything to say?
Just putting in work, because my crew didn't want to do it.
Oh, poor baby.
I wish my mans would rub sunscreen on me.
I think you got your own hands.
Look at this, guys. This is the before activities.
Oh, that feels so good. I'm gonna smell like a banana.
When mom makes you put your sunblock on.
And she doesn't trust you to do it yourself.
I'm gonna smell like a banana for sure.
I'm a banana. I'm a banana.
Let's go, Captain. Danny and the little dinosaur. Lily and the float. Kirk. Kirk's trying to get his duck. He want to be on the duck. He want to be fashionable. The seaweed is ridiculous. Look at it. Ah!
Wrapping up the adventures today on the boat. A little quick, easy, breezy, beautiful cover girl session we had. Captain Juanita on the helm, driving boat. D-Dog, what up?
Don't forget to shop at Costco and Bass Pro Shop.
What he said, he already knows. But like I said, it's high tide all day, every day because of the king tide shit. But expected flooding later and all that good stuff. So we're gonna go home. It's gonna storm later, and then we'll catch you at the baby shower. Right, Captain?
Yes, Captain. Hi guys. So we got off the boat. Kirk's at home right now washing the boat, unfortunately, by himself. I came home to get ready because we have a baby shower to go to. He should be meeting us here. Our friends are here too. She's like, I think she's rubbing lotion on his feet. Goals right here. This is Beyonce goals.
Act up, you can get snatched up.
So we'll catch you guys at the party. Peace.
Later that same evening.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through?
So what do we do with this?
So you're going to put this under your shirt as high up as you can, and the whole purpose is to deliver the baby without using your hands. You can stand up.
Hi guys, I know it's a little dark. It's a little dark outside right now. It's about 9 o'clock.
You gotta move your big ass head, your big ass anaconda head.
Shut the f up. Anyways, it's about 9 o'clock right now. We're leaving the baby shower that we were at. I only caught a few clips, but I think they're funny clips because they're the clips of us playing at the games. It was my brother's baby shower. I'm so excited. We're gonna have another boy. Oh, I think he's so cute. But I won a game. I think I won the wipey game. Like, you had to pull all the wipies. And Kirk won a game, so we got 2 prizes. But that's gonna be the end of our vlog on our Saturday night. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on all of our social media. You want to say anything else, Poopy?
Yeah, make sure you buy our merch. We're making merch.
Well, we don't have merch yet, but alright, ready?
Just give us money.
Bye guys!
I gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true.